3245. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this stream video here with me, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Friday, June 6, 2025. Until my next stream video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this stream video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.